Now let us solve this problem of integration. Find the area of integration bounded by the x-axis, the y-axis, and the line y minus x is equal to 1. So now let me recall the area of region bounded by the curve y is equal to fx. The x-axis between x is equal to a and x is equal to b is given by the formula a is equal to integral a to b y dx. In this case, it is bounded by the x-axis and then the line y minus x is equal to 1. So y minus x is equal to 1 will imply so that y is equal to 1 plus x. So draw the graph of this one. You can construct a table x and y. When x is 0, y is 1. When x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2. When x is minus 1, y is equal to 0. Now draw the graph of this curve y is equal to 1 plus x. This is the y-axis, this is the x-axis. Mark this point as 1 here, this is 0. Then this is 2, this is minus 1, this is minus 2, then minus 1, minus 2, this is 1, this is 2. So when x is equal to 0, y is equal to 1. That means this point here, when x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2. That is this one. When x is minus 1, y becomes 0. So you see that if you get a straight line. So you'll get a straight line. This is y is equal to 1 plus x. Now here, according to the question, we need to find the area bounded by the x-axis, the y-axis, and the line y minus x is equal to 1. And you can see from here, this is that region, which is bounded by this x-axis, the y-axis, and the line y is equal to 1 plus x. So the shaded region will be the region bounded by all this curve, the x-axis, the y-axis, and the line y minus x is equal to 1. Now since this line y is equal to 1 plus x, cut the x-axis at x is equal to minus 1. So you can draw a line here which passes through x is equal to minus 1. So this is represented by x is equal to minus 1. And on the y-axis, we know that the value of x is equal to 0. So therefore, here we are getting the limit of integration will be from x is equal to minus 1 to x is equal to 0. So the area here will be equal to integral minus 1 to 0. What is y here? It will be 1 plus x. So it will be 1 plus x dx. Replace y by in this equation by 1 plus x. Then you can easily integrate this one and find out what will be the area of this region, shaded region here, bounded by the x-axis between x is equal to minus 1 to x is equal to 0, and also the x-axis and the line y is equal to 1 plus x. Now let me come to the next problem. You find by integration the area of the triangle whose vertices are 1, 3, 0, 0 and 1, 0. Here in this case, it's given that the area of the triangle, the vertices of the triangle are these 3. So first of all, what you need to do is again plot these vertices of the triangle in the xy plane. So this is the x-axis. Mark this point as 0, then 1, 2, 3. This is 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 1, minus 2. Now, 1, 3. 1, 3, that means 1 on the x-axis, 3 on the y-axis. So it will be this point here. This is 1, 3. And then 0, 0. 0, 0 is this origin. 0, 0. And then next is 1, 0. 1, 0 will be this point. 1, 0. So this will be that triangle. I denote this one as A, B and C. Now this line here, this one is represented by x is equal to 1. Because this line is perpendicular to the x-axis and it passes through x is equal to 1. So it is represented by x is equal to 1. This is the y-axis and this line here is on the y-axis x is equal to 0. It is represented by the equation x is equal to 0. Now we need to find out what will be this area now. Area of this shaded region. So now this region is bounded by the x-axis between x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1. And what is the curve in this case? It will be this one. I need to find out what will be the equation of this line AB. So the equation of this line AB, which is one side of the triangle, can be found in this way, or can be calculated in this way, because using the equation of the line passing through two given points, we know that equation of a line passing through two given points, say ax1 y1 and bx2 y2, is given by y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So this is the formula. If the coordinate of A and B are known, then you can easily find out the equation of that line AB which passes through these 2 points. And here in this figure you can see that we know the coordinate of A is 0, 0. The coordinate of B is 1, 3. So what will be the equation of this line AB? Equation of line AB is y minus y1, that is 0. This is equal to y2, that is 3, minus y1, that is 0, divided by x2 minus x1. So it will be 1 minus 0 into x minus 0, x1. So you'll get it as y is equal to 3 into x minus 0, or y is equal to 3x. So you see that the equation of that line AB is y is equal to 3x. So that means this line is represented by the equation y is equal to 3x. Now you know that this shaded region now is bounded by the curve y is equal to 3x, the x-axis, then between x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1. So finally, what will be the area? The area will be equal to integral a to b y dx. But what is a here? A is equal to 0. B is equal to 1. This is B is equal to 1. And what is y here? It is bounded by this curve y is equal to 3x. Y is equal to 3x. So the required area of that region A is equal to, or the area of that triangle will be integral 0 to 1 y dx, which is called integral 0 to 1 3x dx, and which can be easily integrated. So this will be, this is the way of finding the area of the region using method of integration. Hope it is clear now for these two problems. You can go through it. In case if it is not clear, you please let me know.